I pour myself a glass of orange juice.
I pour myself a glass of orange juice.
I cut fresh fruit.
I cut fresh fruit.
I enjoy my breakfast.
I enjoy my breakfast.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take out some bread.
I take out some bread.
I slice the bread.
I slice the bread.
I eat my bread.
I eat my bread.
I chew slowly.
I chew slowly.
I swallow my food.
I swallow my food.
I cook rice.
I cook rice.
I eat a fresh pear.
I eat a fresh pear.
I drink cold milk.
I drink cold milk.
I hold a clean cup.
I hold a clean cup.
I prepare to cook dinner.
I prepare to cook dinner.
I gather the ingredients.
I gather the ingredients.
I chop the vegetables carefully.
I chop the vegetables carefully.
I heat the pan.
I heat the pan.
I add some oil.
I add some oil.
I stir everything gently.
I stir everything gently.
I cook chicken with vegetables.
I cook chicken with vegetables.
I cook rice as a side dish.
I cook rice as a side dish.
I drink the water.
I drink the water.
I put the glass in the sink.
I put the glass in the sink.
I close the fridge.
I close the fridge.
I wash an apple.
I wash an apple.
I bite into the apple.
I bite into the apple.
I enjoy the taste.
I enjoy the taste.
I wash a small plate.
I wash a small plate.
I dry a wet spoon.
I dry a wet spoon.
I cut a ripe banana.
I cut a ripe banana.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I put the plates and cutlery.
I put the plates and cutlery.
I serve the meal.
I serve the meal.
I clear the table after dinner.
I clear the table after dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I finish my soup.
I finish my soup.
I lick a clean spoon.
I lick a clean spoon.
I carry a small basket.
I carry a small basket.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I eat fresh bread.
I eat fresh bread.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I cook simple soup.
I cook simple soup.
I bake small rolls.
I bake small rolls.
I enjoy the quiet morning.
I enjoy the quiet morning.
I drink a cup of tea.
I drink a cup of tea.
I eat my lunch slowly.
I eat my lunch slowly.
I take a small dessert.
I take a small dessert.
I prepare my breakfast.
I prepare my breakfast.
I make myself a bowl of cereal.
I make myself a bowl of cereal.